Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upvote or downvote any posts on Reddit. And we will also learn where to view the upvoted or downvoted posts on Reddit. Now let's begin. Log into reddit.com if you already have not. Once you've logged into reddit.com, well, as you can see, there is a post here. If you like this post, you can simply click on the top arrow, that is the upvote. Well, it was quite easy enough, but for instance, you did not actually mean to upvote it and accidentally clicked it. You can again simply click on the upvote icon, then it will go back to normal. For instance, you want to downvote it. The process is simple. Simply click on the downward arrow, and there you have it, you have downvoted it. Now, we need to see the posts that we have upvoted or downvoted on Reddit. Let's scroll over to our profile. Click on this username that you will find at the top right corner. A new tab will open. And go on the profile. Simply click on it. Now in the nav bar, you will see lots of options as usual. Post, comment, history, saved, hidden, upvoted, and downvoted. Well, these two are the sections which we will be focusing on right now. In the upvoted tab, you will see all the posts that you have upvoted in Reddit, whereas on the downvoted tab, you will see the posts that you have downvoted. Well guys, everything is easy enough. Now you can easily upvote or downvote on Reddit. Hope you guys liked this video, and for more informative content, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.